Greetings from Rockaway Beach in the borough of Queens, New York City. And this is a walk along the boardwalk where you can clearly see Long Beach Barrier Island. This would be the Silver Point area. And you can see there's not a lot of space between, here we go, the Rockaways, which is New York City, and Long Beach Barrier Island. And right out there, once you've passed Silver Point, that is the Atlantic Ocean. Beautiful views that can be seen from the Rockaway Beach Boardwalk. And you ready? This is a June sunset look, and we do see some airplanes in the sky. This is actually only a few subway stops away past the A train, which many people are familiar with, even if they've only visited New York for a short period of time. By getting to the JFK airport, take it a couple of more stops across the water and get off at the last stop, Mott Avenue, and you will be here in the beautiful area of Queens at Rockaway Beach on the Rockaways Peninsula. There is swimming, and it's absolutely free until 6 o'clock. And there would be Silver Point, Long Beach Barrier Island. All right, I'm gonna walk the Rockaways Boardwalk here. Till next time, it's from Ever Beautiful. I love New York.